Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Yes, it's gonna be an unboxing, so hopefully I can do a quick one for all of you guys here. Alright, so this is the G-Shock that I got for myself. Okay, it's metal case G-Shock, but for this case is half metal, meaning that the bezel is metal, the strap is resin, and it's not like a fully metallic G-Shock. Let's try to peel this off. Okay, so if you could not distinguish by now, this is a so-called smaller version of the half metal G-Shock. So the reference number is GM-S5600-1DR. It's powered by the 3489 module, which I think has the same function as the regular 3229, the famous 3229. So it's a smaller square G-Shock. Well, on a lot of websites, it's stated like for ladies, but to me, it's more like a unisex watch. So it's really smaller. Maybe I will grab my regular G5600E and show you side by side. So this is the regular, or not so regular, it's the G5600E, the solar powered G-Shock, and this is the new half metal G-Shock square that I got for myself today. So yeah, you can see it's way smaller. I think it should wear well for my small wrist, my small 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. So I'm guessing it's a better choice for a small wrist. And if we were to compare with this, I forgot the name. Yeah, it's something to do with 2100. I'm gonna put the part number here because I have so many part numbers running on my head, which makes me I cannot recall this. This is the smaller version of the ever popular Casio Oak. Alright, so the focus today is this one. Well, again, I will be doing a full review. This is just a quick unboxing, so if you're interested to know more about the watch, please do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on that video when I publish it. So this one is just going to be a quick look, a quick unboxing. So at the back, it's the what do you call, the regular screw down case bag, quick release band. Well, I did not expect this to come with a quick release band. I don't think they are interchangeable. I don't know. I don't think so. So we might have to wait for like newer bands. And this one, the design is slightly different compared to like the regular where you have like this zigzaggy kind of a design. Here is more like a one-step kind of design here. Okay. Metallic buckle. Yep. And the thing with this is that the metal, if compared to the regular size version, the metal bezel is all fully high polish. There is not there is a non-polished face, but it's more like on the side, but on the top of the bezel and everything is like really like shiny and really like high polish, which I feel that is gonna be a scratch magnet. So I might have a plan here. I'm planning to like brush, add some vertical brushing on the top surface. Well, I might screw this up, but I have a plan. Well, you can share with me if my plan will work or will not. What I plan to do is to like get a Scotch-Brite, like those like dishwashing Scotch-Brite, and remove the bezel. Yep, is it screw mounted? Oh, no, I don't think it's screw mounted. Right, it's riveted, or is like torque or Allen wrench kind of screw. I do not know yet. I have to try. But as you can see, the side faces, they are a little brushed, but on the top it's like super blingy and super like high polish. So well, the original plan is to remove the watch from remove the bezel from the watch, and then I will like in a way hold it or guide it in a vertical direction, and then I will try to brush it on fresh Scotch-Brite if I can remove it. If not, then maybe I will just use a masking tape to mask out the crystal, and I will do the same. So yeah, let me know if you think this is a good plan, if you know it will work, or I might need something rougher or harder, like sandpaper, which I feel that it could be too rough. I don't know, seriously, I have to try. Okay, okay, let's put it on the wrist and see how it looks on a small wrist. Okay, it's really nice. I mean, it's like, you know, the size, it's really small, and I think it will fit a lot of small wrists, you know, like guys or girls, or you know, ladies with smaller wrists. I think this is a great choice. Well, there are several colors. You know, there is like a white band, I can remember. There's like semi-translucent, and there is also like a PVD coated, black PVD coated bezel. There's a gold bezel, and initially I wanted to go with that black PVD coated bezel because there is like brush surface on the top. But you know, being scared that, you know, black PVD, it will get scratched off, because I'm just like gonna take this as a work watch. So I went with the regular silver stainless steel bezel, but it does come with a negative display. But I think it's still okay. Legibility is still, I would say, good, right? So the band, it has a different feel. It feels more like, you know, those silicone watch band where it's like soft to touch, you know. But you know, on this like regular G-Shock, it's just like your typical rubber strap, you know, like typical G-Shock or Casio kind of rubber strap. But this one is like, I would say it's softer. It's super nice. Okay, so before I end this video, I'm gonna do a quick comparison with the F91, because on the wrist it really reminds me of the F91. So yeah, hang on tight. Okay, this is a side-by-side comparison with the F91. This is my F91 green version. Yes, it's a little bit up, you know, because at one point I gave it to my kid, and you know what they do with it? They like put it on the floor and just like rub it and play, like acting like it's like a tank or a toy car, because of that army green color. So yeah, kids being kids. But if you can see, the size of this half metal G-Shock is not a lot bigger than the F91. So yeah, it's a great choice if you have a smaller wrist and you like G-Shocks, and you like to have you know, half metal G-Shock, and then you do not like to mod one. I initially modded this, you know, added a stainless steel bezel, but you know, I ended up removing it because I somehow like the lightweightness of this. But this one is really light, you know. I don't have a scale, but I can feel that it's quite light, you know. You wouldn't feel the heft on your wrist, which is a nice thing if it's gonna be an everyday watch. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, please help by subscribing to the channel, and yeah, do let me know if my plan to use a Scotch-Brite will work. You know, maybe it's just a stupid idea anyhow. All right, take care guys, stay safe, and catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.